Ya prendí el directo por si acaso. Voy ahora a poner en Instagram que estoy en directo. Ok. Chat rate Colombia. A ver. Where can I learn more about your system? I can find you on Instagram and I have been following. Bro, let me show you. Because a lot of people say that they don't find my Instagram and I don't know why. So it would be this one right here. That's my Instagram. That's like my trading Instagram. Give me just a few seconds because I'm putting in the stories that I'm on live right now. And this live today is just for answering like all the questions because a lot of people is asking me, you know, the same question over and over. Oh, see, I'm number 2 now. Huh. Okay. 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 So, what we're going to do today is we're just going to see the interim, because in this post that I made yesterday, I have like a lot of questions. So I just want to like answer every single question that I have right here. But I don't know how to see the questions in the computer. Let me see. Maybe right here. Maybe right here I can see it. Like this. How can I see the answers? I don't know how to see the answers. Descarga la aplicación processed. Oh wow. Really? Herbe, hello Herbe, how are you? Today we're going to see like everything that I do, you know, with the strategy and indicators. Like there is a lot of questions that people is asking me right now, so I just want to like make a live stream and answer everything, you know. But I'm trying to actually see the questions here in the internet. I mean in the computer, but I don't know how. Bro, how can I see the questions? Oh wait, what? And I have like hundreds of people waiting for me, so let me see. Profile. How, bro? How can I see the answers? Like, let me see. Well, I think I will just see it on the phone and then answer here in the video. So we have 60, like 70 different questions that you guys make. Like seriously, like a lot of questions, you know. So a lot of that questions are actually like the same, you know, just asking about the strategies and things like that. So you know, I'm just going to like separate some questions and answer here in this stream, and then I'm going to make some answers also in the Instagram, just in case. Give me 1 second because I have to move this stop loss right here. Okay. So let's start from the beginning. Here someone asked, how long does that it take from me to become profitable? Well, I have like 6 years doing trading. I start like hola, un saludo brother. Ahí voy a ir respondiendo las preguntas en español y en inglés, se me olvida. I will be answer all the questions like in Spanish and in English, you know, because I have like a lot of people in both languages, so I'm going to be speaking both language. So voy a estar hablando los dos idiomas, respondiendo todas las preguntas en los dos idiomas, mucho mejor para las dos comunidades. So the first one is, how long it take for me to be profitable? So I started trading like 6 years ago. When I started doing trading, I started with Bitcoin, and I remember that the first day that I put money into crypto, I made like, I don't know, like I put like $4,000, and then I make like $8,000. And when my dad saw that, he was like, "Oh my God, you know, here you go." And he gave me like 60K. And I remember I take this 60K and I turned the 60K into like $120,000. So at the end I had like $120,000 or $30,000. And then in the next 2 weeks I lost everything. Like seriously, I lost everything, you know. And after that I spent like 2 years losing money, losing a lot of money. I at the end I maybe lost like $150,000, like real money, no demo account, no founded account, like real money. Then I spent like 1 year with a lot of depressed because losing a lot of money, it's hard. Then I spent like 1 year learning a lot. I jumped from crypto to forex, from forex to options from to metals. I trade gold, then from gold to commodities, and then I stay with the futures. I stay with the S&P 500 and the Bitcoin. Entonces, ahora en español. Yo empecé hace 6 años, literalmente, a hacer trading. Cuando empecé a hacer trading perdí muchísimo dinero, perdí como $150,000 en 2 años. Después tuve como un año de depresión porque, bueno, perder $150,000 no es sencillo, dinero real. Luego de esa depresión que duré un año, literalmente empecé a practicar mucho. Y al final, hace como 2 años, ya puedo decir que no he perdido. Well, I didn't say this in English. Science. 2 years ago, I lost sometimes because every single trading lost sometimes, but now I just like every 3 months when I see my all my trades, I'm like, okay, I'm making money. I'm making money. Like I have 2 years making money. Sometimes I lose, but at the end I make money. Entonces sí, hace como 2 años ya como que empecé a ser mucho más consistente y a ganar mucho más dinero. Okay, I'm going to take a screenshot right here and I'm going to send it to myself so that way I can open right here the picture right here. There you go. So let's see another question. What pair do you usually trade and what the fuck? What? Oh, and what time frame? I was so confused. So the pair, I change a lot. Why would you give your strategy in the middle of the competition? Bro, I see the strategy that I use is so simple. It doesn't have like nothing crazy. It's just support and resistance levels, and I do crazy stuff with the competition. Like I will show you. See, right here I have a position open and I have 4,400 contracts. That's just crazy. No one is going to trade in real life like that. I shouldn't be showing this because the competition have like a rule that you can't show the competition. When you start the competition, you have to sign something. You have to say I accept the conditions and whatever, and they say like you have to keep everything that you do for yourself. So that's why I don't show like this in a stream. But yes, the strategy that I'm using for the competition is like a really easy strategy. But then what I do is I just use all the leverage. They give you like a 1 to 20 leverage, and that's what I'm using right now. Me preguntaron que por qué yo compartía mi estrategia, y la razón es porque es una estrategia demasiado sencilla. De verdad, es muy sencilla. Lo que pasa es que yo pues me apalanco mucho, y por esa razón es que la estrategia se ve así. But in real life I would be making a lot of less money because I don't trade like this in real life. I use the same strategy, but then I don't use leverage because using leverage is like the easiest way to blow your account. Entonces, vamos a seguir aquí respondiendo preguntitas, que es lo importante. So let's continue answering the questions, because this stream is for answering all the questions. So what pair do I trade? Right now I'm trading S&P 500 for my personal account and Bitcoin. I trade Bitcoin like since 2019 always. But right now I'm trading S&P 500 a lot. I just like it, you know. If you see my graphic for the S&P 500, let me show you. Entonces estoy diciendo que yo me preguntaron qué es lo que yo le hago trading actualmente. Yo le hago trading mucho al S&P 500 y también a Bitcoin. Son como las dos que yo más manejo. Entonces nada, pues es como lo que más hago. See, right here, like all this is like 1 month. You can see, like, bro, my strategy is just so simple, you know. I have just these levels right here. I sell here, I take my profit here, I buy right here, I take my profit right here. Like, I seriously, I do like really easy stuff, you know. It's nothing like too crazy. But yes, I love to trade S&P 500. It's just I just love it. I don't trade Nasdaq because it's too crazy for me, you know. It moves so fast. Each tick in Nasdaq is like $5, and in S&P 500 is like $12.5 so, you know, it's better. Hola Peca, sorry te diga así, pero aún no sé tu nombre. Mi nombre es Juan. My real name, just in case, is Juan. Acabo de llegar a la transmisión. Tu estrategia actual es la misma que está en tus videos en vivo en el canal. Sí, es la misma estrategia. La del cursor. La del cursor. ¿Qué cursor, brother? Ahí me ganaste, no sé, no entendí el cursor. So yes, let's continue answering all the questions. Well, and about the time frame, bro, it always depends, you know, because I know how to do swing trading, day trading and scalping. Sobre el tiempo en el que yo hago trading, yo sé hacer swing trader, day trader, y yo sé hacer scalping. So, you know, I change always my time frame, you know, depending of what I'm seeing in the moment. For example, Nvidia, I was doing some analysis for Nvidia the other day, and you can see here is in 2 hours, you know. So in 2 hours, I have an uncle that he is trying to invest, and he asked me, where can I buy? And I say, okay, it's just really easy, buy in this level. And he actually make some good profit right here, you know. So, but if I want to do a scalp, because he want to invest, but if I want to do a scalping, then I use 15 minutes, 1 minute, you know. I have like 3-4 different strategies that I'm always mixing, you know, because I have like all this knowledge in my mind, so I'm always changing, you know. For example, right here, it's going in my way, so I could just move the stop loss and be changing, you know. I always change when I'm doing trading. If I see something and I don't like it, then I change. So I don't know, it's actually really easy strategies, you know. Entonces lo que estoy diciendo es que yo siempre voy moviendo mi time frame de tiempo, nunca me quedo con uno solo, siempre estoy pues cambiando, me cambio de time frame, cambio de lo que estoy haciendo, nunca tengo que decir uno solo. For example, I trade a lot in Coinbase. For example, all the Bitcoin that I trade is on Coinbase, and I always have like well, you can see right here, this is the 4 hours for Bitcoin, and I have these places right here, you know. I sell here, I'm looking for sales right here, and I'm looking for buys right here, and that's it. See, if the price reach that level right here, or at least closer, I just put sales, you know. Right here I put sales, and then I just do the strategy, you know. It's just really easy. So let's see more questions. How much time? No. What indicators do you use? So the indicators right now that I'm using are the triple moving average and the smooth Heikin-Ashi candles. That is these ones right here. And for the settings, because a lot of people ask for the settings, is these ones for the smooth Heikin-Ashi candles. And also I use this one right here, the Lux Algo breakout. But for this indicator, just go and check the other live stream that I made like some days ago, because I explain everything, you know, in this video. What else? Could you please guide me to trading? Yes, I can help you all, you know. You're top number 1 in trading view. Not right now. Right now I'm the number 2 actually, but you know. But I think that if I close the position that I have right now open, no, I will be still. I will still be in the number 2. Let's see. What strategy you basically follow? Bro, I have like 5 different strategies, so I don't follow any specific strategy. You know, I have breakouts. I have like trend lines. I have like just following the trends. I have like support and resistance levels. I have like supply and demands. I have like liquidity gaps. Like I have fair value gaps, order blocks. Like I have all these things in my mind. So when I'm looking at the chart, I'm just like processing everything, you know, like all my mind is always processing, and I'm always looking like what is going on, you know. For example, I will give you like a quick example right here. I take this trade because I saw the price, you know, losing momentum right here, you know, and we have this huge movement right here today, and I'm like, bro, today is Friday. Most of the time the price go crazy, and then, you know, it goes like to the normal level. So I was like, I'm going to take a sell right here, and I'm like super close to this I don't know what is this, if it's a support or resistance, if it's a supply and demand. Well, it's a resistance level, you know, right here. So I'm like, I'm just going to take this trade, and if the price go higher, then I just hold. What I do is I just hold, you know. I don't close my position like, oh yeah, I'm losing money, I'm stressed. No, I just hold the position. I'm holding the loss, yes, because it's a competition, you know. If it would be like a real life, I would be doing a lot of risk management, and I would be already closing this position. But it's a competition, so I actually don't care about losing $500,000 or making $1 million in one trade, cause it's just a competition. Te escribí al Instagram. Yes, I'm going to ask all the DMs that you send me. I'm going to ask all the DMs in Instagram. It's just I have like seriously like 80 different people asking me a lot of stuff. So it's just better just to do like a live stream and then send the live stream. You know, it's easier. But I'm going to ask every question in Instagram too. You get those signals in ATAS. Do you think I could get those in trending view? The signals. This is actually trading view, just in case. And if you want to see the chart like I see it in ATAS with all the footprint chart, you can actually have it right here in footprint chart. I don't have it because I don't have the plan to have it, you know. But if you pay the premium, you could have the footprint chart. I don't have it because I see it in ATAS. Okay. So let's continue right here. Por si acaso estoy hablando mucho en inglés y no estoy hablando en español. Estoy diciendo que bueno, toda mi estrategia se basa en soportes y resistencias, que yo pues marco niveles y voy comprando y vendiendo dependiendo del nivel al que yo voy llegando. Estoy hablando, por ejemplo, del riesgo de tener este tipo de operaciones, que yo, por ejemplo, lo que hago es que abro estas operaciones y voy literalmente viendo cómo se va desempeñando. Si veo que se está desempeñando mal, pues la saco. Si veo que se está desempeñando bien, pues la dejo. Y ya, o sea, es una estrategia muy sencilla lo que yo hago. O sea, no es nada que tú digas como que uff, no, qué locura y tal. So, you know, I use a lot of price action. Like if I would say one thing that I learned that it helps me a lot is price action. You know, I use a lot of price action. And you know, I don't know why you can see. This is weird. Give me 1 second. Well, I don't know. um, concurso, es decir, la del concurso. Tu estrategia actual es la misma que está en tus videos en vivo del canal. Es decir, la del concurso. No. My strategy is not the same that I show in the videos. Because in the videos I use my personal account and my funded account, so no, it's not the same strategy. No, no es la misma estrategia. Yo no utilizo la misma estrategia para mis videos que para la competencia, porque en una tengo cuenta fondeada y en la otra, por ejemplo, tengo la cuenta real. I want you guys to see this example right here. For example, right now we just opened the 2 hours candle. Is the last candle for today, and you can see all the candles have like the body, and then I don't know how to say this in English, la mecha. See, so you know, most of the candles, they have some liquidity right here, because a lot of people is placing like sales or buys, you know, in this area. So most of the time the price want to go higher, you know, to do like a higher a top wick, and then, you know, do the body. So what I will be waiting right here is this 2 hours candle to go down. Now I could be wrong, you know, because if you see how this candle is actually going, maybe it's making a support right here, okay, and then maybe it goes right here, because right here we have a resistance level. If you see these 2 candles closing at the same level, that's like a resistance. So if you go right here, you have, oh well, you have it right here, you see this resistance. So most of the people look this and they're like, oh my god, you're gonna have to close the position, because, you know, I'm making $250,000, so I have to close the position. That's exactly what I don't do in this strategy. Like I'm chilling, you know, like I just leave it like that, and if it closes in the stop loss, I make $75,000. That's great, you know. So just take it easy, you know, don't get too stressed. And well, we have to obviously see that right here, for example, we already reached this level. Where it is, we already reached this level right here for the value gap right here. So, well, what, this one? So we already reached this level right here. So I don't know, I would be just like waiting, you know. Right now I won't be like stressing or something like that, and you can see that this level is exactly where I want to like close my position. Anyways, let's continue answering the question, because that's that's the idea of the stream, you know. You get those, no. Hola, ¿cuál es el indicador que usas para ver las órdenes al lado de las velas? Las órdenes al lado de las velas. Uf. No sé de qué orden me estás hablando, Conrado. How do you mark your support and resistance levels? They look different than normal ones. Okay, so you know, this is one of the questions that a lot of people ask me, because one guy told me like, hey, you know, why if you are like doing the same strategy that everyone does, like just support and resistance level, why it goes different for you for you? So see, in trading, if the time frame is bigger than the let me put this one right here, this one right here. Wait, give me 1 second, because I have to, there you go, there is the profit. So when you're doing like trading, if you go higher in the time frame, then it's more secure that the market structure is going to respect, you know. For example, if you go to 1 minute, let me clean the chart, let me clean this. So if you go to the 1 minute, and right here in 1 minute you have, I don't know, let me go to New York yesterday, so something right here. So if you go to 1 minute, for example, and you mark this support, this resistance right here, you know, it's, yeah, let's say you mark this resistance right here, right, and you extend it right here, and then the market just break out right here. For example, it does this breakout right here, so you entry a buy position, a long position, you know, and you are like, oh, you know, it break out, so I'm going to make my stop loss right here, and then my take profit right here, and then it goes down. This is because you're using like a wrong time frame, you know. The problem is not how you mark the support and resistance. The problem is that you mark in the wrong time frame. If you go to 4 hours, for example, if you go to 4 hours, let me bro, let me show you right here. Okay, if you go to 4 hours, you can see that whenever you mark these areas, you know, the price most of the time just go. For example, right here I mark this area and the price, you know, went to this area, but I don't understand this area right here. But if I go maybe to 10 minutes and then I just look that place, let me see. So I want to show you like what I'm talking about. Higher, nice, right here. Where is that? Okay, it's right here. No, it's not right here. Yes. For example, see why I mark this area right here, because we have this test, then we have this one right here, and then it goes down, and then I mark this area because, you know, the price come here like different times, and then right here the same, you know, we have this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle, and then here the market just continue in this level, you know, touching this level and then going down. Then for example right here I could mark another level, for example, but you know, in real time, you know, because right now we are seeing the past, so it's easy, but in real time when you have it like this, then what you have to see is just something like this, just a place where all the people is buying and selling, something like this. For example, this candle goes right here and then it goes up. Why? Because people, you know, it's like they don't know if they want to buy or sell right here. Then right here it break this structure that it was forming. So right here we have a break of a structure. Well, it's hard to write with this. So right here we have like a break of a structure of the market. Then right here we have like a support level right here. Then we have a resistance level right here, you know, because of the prices coming up right here, coming up. It tries to break out, but it couldn't, so it tried to, you know, then it makes like lowest highs right here, you know, and then we have this breakout. Okay, then it goes really down, and then it have this retest right here. So for example, this right here would be a nice, really nice entry point, you know, with maybe like the stop loss right here on the top, and maybe then like a 1 to 2 risk reward trade, you know. So you should be going like right down here, something like that. Well, this is a really ugly drawing, you know, but this is how my mind look the market, you know. When I'm seeing the market, I go through all of this, you know, and this is in 5 minutes. Then if you go to 1 minute, you have the same. Like seriously, you have the same. You have to start looking the trade. You have to start understanding that behind the screens is people. Okay, so you have to always understand like how would people would be thinking right now, you know. Why are we losing momentum right here? Because we have this huge movement, like downtrend right here, and now we are like losing momentum. So what could happen? That's like the real question. We have this one right here, then this one right here, and then this one right here. Most of the people, when they see this, they're like, oh my god, it's a W, so we have to buy. See this? People see this and they're like, oh my god, you know, it's forming, I don't know, this pattern right here, like this, and they're like, I'm going to wait for this retest to enter a buy and then do like this. But maybe the price do like this and continued with the trend. Why? Because you are looking the chart in 1 minute, bro. 1 minute is hard to make these candlestick patterns and all this crazy stuff, you know. You have to look in 15 minutes. Okay, well, let me delete this right here. You have to look in 15 minutes, and in 15 minutes, what do we have? Nothing. We have a losing momentum and going to into a downtrend, you know. If you see in 30 minutes, we have the same. If we have in 1 minute, in 1 hour, we have the same. If you see in 2 hours, we have the same. If you see in 4 hours, then we're like, oh, look this. The price, well, no, it's just, this is too crazy. Let's see right here. So the price right here, you know, it tries to go up, and we have to understand always that we are trading in Bitcoin. You know, it's really important for you to understand what are you doing trading. I'm trading Bitcoin. Bitcoin have two huge levels. Bitcoin have this is the daily, just in case. So right here we have this level and this level. That's the only two things that you should be like looking in Bitcoin right now. You know, we have this level right here and this level right here. So you should be looking for buys right here and for sales right here. That's it. It's just, don't overcomplicate, you know. Then, oh no, but I want to get complicated. Well, you can make like a support and resistance level right here, because you can see how the price get reject right here different times, and the same right here, the same right here. Right here it tries to break out, you know. I always see the MACD too, because I want to know like how the price in huge terms is moving. I don't know, it's just, you have to try to understand all these things at the same time, you know. You have to be able to look at the chart and be like, okay, so this is happening right now, so the market is moving this way, so I should be doing this. For example, what happened when we have a support and resistance level and it break out, maybe could continue the trend line, right? So we, for example, for me to move the stop loss, what I do is, okay, we have this resistance level right here, right? Then we have this retest, then it continue going down, it makes a lower low, then it's going up maybe to retest this level right here and then continue with the trend. So what would happen if the price decide to break this high that we have right here? Maybe it goes up, maybe it goes down again, or maybe it goes up, maybe it goes down right here, and then maybe it continues going up, because we have no idea, you know. So for example, for me to move the what? For example, for me to move the stop loss and secure some money, because at the end trading is about securing money, it's not about making money, it's about not losing money. So I could say, okay, so I'm going to move my stop loss right here, you know, on top of this support and resistance level. You see, just exactly right here. And if the price go up, well, I don't care, I just get 150k, you know. Now if the price continues going up, that's perfect. Now if the price touch this level and then it's continue going down, then that's the point where most of the traders are like, oh, I'm losing money, I have to jump again into the trade, like I want to make money. My mind is like, if you just make money, just go and chill, you know, go and play, go and do whatever. For example, right here, this stop loss for me, if I think, is just too close for me, because I don't know, it's a competition, you know, I can risk a lot. Sometimes I have a position like this and I put the stop loss like right here in break even, and I don't care because it's a competition, you know, so I don't care about losing. Well, it's not losing because I don't have $230,000 right now. I'm in profit, $230,000 right now. So I don't know, I will leave the trade like this and we will see what happens. So let me see what you're saying. Weak is la mecha. Okay, thank you. How can you trade that many lots? Isn't it limit? Nope. That's the secret, bro. You have, well, you have a leverage, and you have to respect the leverage for the competition. You have a 1 to 20 leverage. You just have to put more and more and more positions, and always try to have like a really sniper entry, because if you make a bad entry, then you can lose all the money in 15 minutes. El perfil de volumen. ¿Qué pasó con el perfil de volumen? Uno de los mejores amigos de juegos de Andrés. Me confundiste, brother. Why are you teaching us for free? Other guys are going to sell this information. Thank you, bro. I'm actually planning to make a course because I have a lot of knowledge that I would like to give, and I understand that knowledge cost, but at the same time I just like to help, you know. I really like helping people, and if I see that I have something that I could just give, I always do the same. And there is another thing I will show you. Because there is another thing that actually makes me really happy, now that you ask. So this right here is my YouTube channel that it's charging right now. So this right here is my YouTube channel, right? I started YouTube channel like let's see, well, no, it's not to 2019. It was like 3-4 months ago, and right now I'm like super close to 1,000 subscribers, and it actually makes me really happy, you know. Like seriously, it makes me really happy, you know. See right here like 1,000, and so I don't know, you know, I'm seeing that helping people. For example, right here we have 2,600 views just because I'm helping. So it actually makes me really happy, you know. I think that this position is going to get close. And there is another thing, like another important thing, bro. When we're doing trading, we have to really know what is going on in the market, you know. For example, today is Friday. We are 2 hours before the market close, so my recommendation would be always close your position in the weekend, because if I leave I have my idea, and I think that Bitcoin could go to 100,000 through the weekend, but if I leave my position open, there I would be really stressed, you know. And I have my wife, I have my baby. I don't want to be looking at the chart all the weekend like, oh, what is going on, you know. I just want to be relaxed. I hope you're going to win the competition. Thank you so much, bro. I hope too, you know. It's a nice competition. Where do you set your stop loss when normal trading? It depends a lot. It depends on how I look the market. A lot of time, let me see if I can open a position. Where is this? Let me see if I can open a position right here. Let me just put a okay. Let's see, we are right here in the S&P 500. Right here, for example, you can see that I have this support level for the higher highs, you know, for the all-time highs. So let's say right here I see that it's losing momentum, you know. We were coming like with a lot of strength, and then we are losing momentum right here. So let's say I go like without making a lot of analysis, and I said I want to take a sell. So I just go right here, I take a sell, I put market, but I put limit always. And let's say I want like really easy put a stop loss, then I could just do like this, and that's it. Now this is crazy because I use 6 contracts and this is like 2,400 lost. So what I do most of the time, if I don't want to risk a lot of money, then I wait for a good entry. For example, this was like a crazy entry, but let's say I'm looking for profit to get at this point right here, okay? So what I would be waiting for me to move my stop loss is like, once I see the price, for example, I could put a stop loss right here because we have this resistance level right here, okay? And what I would do is I wait for the price to go in the direction that I want. For example, once I'm making like $100 or $200, then I just move the stop loss to break even. You know, for example, right here, well, we're almost making $200, so I would be moving my stop loss right here, you see? So that way I just secure $75, even if the price, even if the price closed right there, I already secure money, you know? And if the price at the same time that I do this position goes against me, then I lose my money, you know, I lose some $100. But I always try to be always like really close to the position. You can see right here we will be making like $300. And this is the problem, you know, most of the traders say like, oh, you know, right here we can make money, and they put another sale, and then the problem is that you are actually almost touching this support level. So the price, what the price would be doing right here, if it have like the same market structure, it should be going up again. So if it goes up and then you lose right here like $600, and this is your daily stop limit, then you know you will be losing a lot of money every single day. Now if it goes down and it break this structure right here, then you should be looking for another place. For example, where can we take profit from this position right here? We could be seeing this place right here, or maybe this place right here in really down, you know. But we have no idea, we have to play with what we have right now. So we have this entry right here because we think that we are going to lose money. It's just the easy way to lose money, you know. Simple question. Set SR the support resistance level, away from impulse. We press. Rafael, I don't completely get your question. Set support resistance in 1 day, 4 hours, 1 hour. See, yes, that's how you should be setting your support and resistance levels. Wait for impulse, which break, yes, or maybe no break the support and resistance level, but maybe to respect it, you know. Wait for the retest. That's sometimes I wait for the retest. Sometimes I just put the positions when I see that the support and resistance level is getting closer, and open the position. Yes, I mean that's how you should be trading. Now the problem is when you have this psychological, you know, game, when you are like, oh, I should be making more money because I just make $75 and I want to make more money. I don't want to make just this amount of money. So you know, all these ideas came to your mind and then you lose money. That's like the problem that most of the trader has. Well, you can see right here, you should say, oh, we're making a breakout. Well, maybe no, because we have to wait for the candles to close, you know, and we have this level right here, so we have to wait 3 more seconds and we will see. So let's see more questions. Please check Nifty. Let's check this. Nifty. That's a indicator, or that's a pair. I don't know what is Nifty. This one right here, I think. Oh, that's from India. Interesting. So let's make a quick test right here. Okay. For the last year or something like that, we are losing a lot of momentum right here. You can see, and we are like losing a lot right here. But at the same time, we are reaching this level. You know, this level right here. So I won't be like getting too much stress, and we can see that right here it tested one time. So right here it like testing again. So with this idea, so let's move to the 4 hours. And now in the 4 hours, let's see what we can do. So in the 4 hours, we have this level right here, and it goes back to May 2024. Okay, so we have this level right here. If you want to do a scalping, I would be marking just this level right here, and then here I should be marking maybe right here a level. I mark it right here because you can see these 3 candles. That's consolidation in a lower time frame. So I like consolidations, you know, because that's like a way to know that the price, you know, like this price right here. So let's move to 1 hour candle. Obviously we have this right here. Then let's move to 15 minutes. Let's move to 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So right here I should make like a quick analysis. I would be doing something like, let me see, because we have all this level right here. Then we have this break of a structure, this change of character right here, you know, because we are trying to go up, but then we have this breakout again right here at this level. Then we have this double test in this area right here, and now we're trying to go up again. But the problem is that this one right here, we are in Friday. So, you know, in Friday it's hard to say it's going to go up or down. So if you want to do a scalping, you should be looking for an area around right here to maybe have like an support and resistance level, you know, in this area right here. But you know, yeah, we have to always understand, because this is Nifty, that's from India. We have to understand how the Indian market move. We have to understand why the Indian market move. We have to understand what is going on in India. You know, I have no idea. So we have to see all these situations before entry a position. If India is going really down, then why would you be buying? You know, if you want to do investment, like investing and not just scalping, then this would be a really nice area to have a buys. You know, this one would be a really nice area to be buying. Then another area to be good to be buying would be like this one right here. You know, and I don't think that the price is going to go lower. You know, because going right here, it would be crazy for India. You know, it would be like 10% lost. That would be too much for the Indian market. But I don't know, I would be like looking these areas. What lot size were you using to get over 1 million in the first week? I noticed some of you percent. I'm using this crazy amount of lots, 4,400 lots right now. it always depends, you know. It always depends, but this is what I'm using right now. Because well, oh well, see the strategy, the one that we have right here, it goes down, you know. That's nice. That's actually really nice for the explanation. Bro, where is my, I don't see where it is. But see, we are making money. You know, for example, right here, I would be moving my stop loss right here. Why right here? Because we have this. This is 1 minute, but you know, we could say the same. Right here, we have these three candles right here. You know, this is a lower low. This is a lower low. Then right here we have a retest, and then we have a continuation. So if it breaks the retest level, then maybe it wants to go up. So you want to secure some money before the market continue going up or down, you know. So that's why you put your stop loss right here. That's why. Okay. Just in case. Can you say a bit more about liquidity when it's information you? Which broker is this, bro? No, this is just a trading view. I'm just using a demo account just to show, you know, some explanation. I don't actually trade my money in life, because you know it changed a lot of stuff. I mean, I change mentally when I'm doing live trading. I change a little bit, so I prefer just always to trade for myself in private. And I do swing trading, so it's not like excited to do trading like in live, you know. I always put positions and I take 1-2 weeks in the positions. Sorry, one more question. I hear you say change of character. Do you use ICT concepts? Nope. I actually never see nothing about ICT. I know who is ICT, but I never saw nothing, like seriously nothing about ICT. I know what is break of a structure. I know what is change of character. I know what is I mean, it's just that's a small money concept, and I know that ICT bring this concept to the market, but it's not like I learn from him, you know. I just test a lot, and I am always testing and testing and testing. Thanks so much. You feel confident? Do you feel confident reclaiming top spot? Yes. I mean, see, some people ask me why, if I'm such, people ask like this, you know. People say, hey, why, if you are such a good trader, would you be losing your time in a competition? My answer is because it's funny, you know. It's just funny to be in a competition, you know, with more traders. And we, all of us, love what we are doing, you know. So it's just like really nice to do trading with more people that is doing the same as we love, you know. And testing my strategies and my knowledge with 50, how much it is, like 57,000, like almost 60,000 people, you know, testing my knowledge with 60,000 people that know that they are doing trading, that they, you know, it's just a funny, it's just something really funny. The risk free, yes, and that, you know, it's just it's really nice to have a competition where they say, you know, you don't have any kind of rules. You can just play as if I would be starting, you know, in trading. If I would be like if it would be like my first time doing trading. So it's actually really nice. That's why I spend a lot of time in the competition. Sorry, I'm putting right here the questions that all of you guys make in the Instagram, so we can like answer all the questions. Oh, whoa, my computer is getting crazy. My computer, what's up? Bro, what's up? Okay. I should buy a new computer. That's what I should do, you know, I should buy a new computer. Check it. Okay, right here. 58k. Yes. That's a lot of people, you know. That's a lot of people. And it's really nice. Can you teach me how to trade? Bro, I can't help anyone, you know. I like to help, so yes, I can teach you and anyone that asks, you know. Buy my premium account on XNext. I don't care about XNext. I don't care about XNext. Indicators, I just show it, you know, in the indicators with strategy, I just show it. Did you train yourself, and which indicators do you use? I just show the indicators. And did I train myself? Yes, I trained myself for 6 years. I lost a lot of money, like seriously a lot of money, so yes, I train myself. Bro, what moving average do you use? Which trigger? Okay, so for the moving average, I use I really like to use this triple moving average, you know, most of the time. But it always depends. When I'm using ATAS and when I want to do like a scalping, when I do a scalping, I use a 30 seconds time frame. When I'm using 30 seconds time frame, I use a 9 moving average, and then I use a 20 moving average. So I have just like a really dummy strategy, you know. I just buy when it's going up, and then I just sell when it's going down. That's it. Bro, I'm doing all this video in English. Tengo que hablar español, en serio. Oigan, si hay alguien que habla español, por favor, diga hola, por favor. O sea, si hay alguien que hable solamente español, diga hola para saber si debería estar hablando español. Y por favor, hey, can you tell me if the audio is good? Because I see that super like it sounds really high, and I don't know because I just buy this mic. So can someone tell me if the audio is right? You seems like a good dude, man. I wish you the best. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really wish you the best too. You know, I wish you can make a lot of money. Audio is good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hiko. I don't know how to say it. Thank you so much. So yes, for moving average, I use depending of the situation. Most of the time I just use the triple moving average, and in the triple moving average I use one that is 20, then one that is 50, and then one that is 100. Sometimes depending of the situation, I could even use 6 moving average, you know. And then my graphic is like a lot of lines, but I use like 275, 10, and the other one is like 500 moving average. Is something like this, like crazy. But that's when I want to like swing trading, so I'm looking just for entries level, you know. But this is just like a crazy strategies, you know. I have all these indicators that I use in different strategies, you know. I have like a lot of stuff right here, like a fair value gap. I don't know, let's see. And here we have fair value gaps. You see, right here. And that's the level where we are right now, you know. I don't know, I always put different indicators, and I start playing and playing. But you have to understand the market structure before going and play, you know. It is a problem for you if one of the other top 10 is here trying to learn. No, I mean, no, you know. I actually was having some really good conversations with the top number 7 and the top number 15. So, you know, I just have fun, bro. For me, the competition, I don't care about the competition. I do trading because it's funny for me. Like, I don't do it even for the money. I do it because I like it. I love doing trading. Like, I love going into the market and doing the analysis. Like, I seriously love it. You know, I have 6 years with giving a lot of attention to this. I do this. I play video games. They have some businesses. I have like 2-3 companies that that I own, that I have to move. I have a lot of people working with me and for me. So I never see the trading like something to get rich. Actually, I want to get rich with my businesses and then put this money into trading, and with a really, really, really good risk management, make some profit, But no, I seriously don't care about if right now I'm in the second position, if this guy right here, or this guy, or this guy, or this guy, or this guy are looking my trades and my stream, and they're looking what I'm doing right now, that's nice, I mean, I would like to know their strategies. Like I would like to learn from them, because I mean, it's amazing, being the number 3, the number 4, the number 5, that's really cool, even if I'm the number 2 or I'm the number 1, bro, that's cool, being in the top, and learning from them. It would be really nice. Do you keep your scalp position and make it swing position? Yes, sir. I always try to do swing trading. I don't make a lot of scalping. It always depends, if I'm doing like a prod firm challenge, I do swing trading. Then if I'm doing, for example, this competition, I do more swing trading. For example, right here, we can see that the market is losing like all the momentum that we have, and the MACD is going down. So why would I close my position? And you can see right here, this level that we marked before, the market retest this level again, and it's going down, So right now we have this level right here that it tries to break out, and then goes right here again. So we have this level that we are testing. So why should I stress if I'm going to lose 60K, or if I'm going up again? A scalping trader would be like getting crazy right now, would be like, oh my god, I'm losing $10,000, bro. No, just chill, That's like the thing that you should be having, like, just chill. Let me see more questions. Let me see more questions, because we have like a lot of questions to answer. Hello, Pecas. I hope you have been doing well. You too, Mark. Thank you so much. Could you guide me on the positions I'm holding right now? Oh, and this is the position. Let me see the position. Let me see the positions. Sam, I really want to see. Where is Mark? Here he is. Bro, I don't understand nothing. Okay, let me. Mark. Hey Mark, how are you? I hope you're doing great. I saw that you have a position open in the Bitcoin in 1 hour, I think, for buys. It depends on how long you want to keep this position. If you want to keep it like for 1 week, you will be making money. Now, maybe for the weekend, you should be closing it, because maybe the price want to retest again like the $97,000 in Bitcoin before going up. So I don't know. It's a nice position if you want to do swing trading. Now, if you want to do scalping, that would be like a really hard place to make a position, because it's a support and resistance level, for Bitcoin. So I don't know. If you want to do swing trading, just keep the position. I'm in live right now, so that's why I've sent a voice message and not a test. But thank you so much. Okay, so let's continue with the answering. Do you think you can live just doing trading? Yes. Sí, claro. Andrés Mendoza. Of course I can just one day do trading, and that's it. Just, I have a lot of stuff to do every day, so I was like, I just want to like get in touch a little bit with you guys, answering the questions, talking, and you can see the position right now. So I don't know, I think that is a nice way to talk with you guys and do trading. Let's see right here. What pair do you trade and what time frame? I already said. Oh no, this is all picture. Oh, no. Right here. Okay. So, what pairs do you trade? I already explained it. What are the applications you use for configure your trade? What are the applications you use to confirm your trades? Bro, I don't know. I see right here, for example, this entry that I have right here, I don't need any confirmation. Well, it's just we're in a really close resistance level, so I don't need any confirmation for that. I'm in a short Bitcoin from 28.4. Oh, that's a nice entry. You entry right here. That's a nice entry. Using the strategy from you. Oh, bro. Well, if you're using the strategy from the previous video, that's nice. Just in case, because I have actually to say it before doing the streams, this is not trading advice. If you lose money, it's your money, okay? I'm just a beginner with 6 years of experience, but this is no financial advice. Just in case, bros. Just in case. Do you trade support and resistance level? Everyone else do it, but 90% still lose. That's because they don't put the support and resistance levels in the right time frame. That's the only reason. If you put the support and resistance levels in the right time frame, then you will be making money. What gain percentage do you make in your real money account? It depends about the leverage, and it depends about the market. For example, I can show you. Well, I will show you. Let me see if I can open Coinbase right here. If it doesn't ask me for confirmations or something like that, I can show you. I have been trading for some years and I'm still learning. We are always learning, We're always learning. Man, this guy is so love you. Love you too, bro. Love you. Oh, your real money account? Yes, of course. What is your favorite prop firm? About prop firms, I would be. I will show you one of the wallets that I have. Well, you can see right here. I don't have money right here right now, but I can show you. See, right here. This is the wallet that I used to use when I started doing trading, like years ago. Right now I don't use Coinbase a lot, but right here, this is the 60,000 that I have from my dad that he gave me, and I made like $130,000, but I lost it so quick that even in the graphic you can see it. But this is like the moment when I start like doing trading for myself. Then right here, for example, you can see right here I have like 9. Let me see if it is like a year. No, this is just too old. But right here you can see it's just all these moments when I leave doing trading is because I have my baby, so I just quit trading for a lot of time. But right here, for example, I get like $7,000. That was before I get married, and then I lost like almost everything. I lost like 50% of the profit because I have like a lot of stress. Then I take like 2 weeks of relax, and then I just get this money back to 70,000. So if we talk about percentage, and I was using a leverage 1 to 3, I make like 100% in 1 month. But this is using leverage. This is risking a lot of money. So let me show you the prop firms so you can have another idea of how it looks like. The trading pip. This is the prop firm that I use right now. Well, the one that I use like for almost always. I just really like it. I'm watching your twice live video. You are a simple guy. I like you, bro. Thank you so much. Login, bro. Oh my god, the stream. No, wait, what? There you. Oh, we're in a 500,000. GG, bro. Let's see. Who is the guy that put the position in 98? Who is the guy? Hiko, you're making money, bro. Hiko, you're making money, bro. You are on fire, bro. GG. Let me see. So right here, okay. Accounts. I don't have any accounts right now. The last one that I have, I ruined it. But this one right here, for example, see. This one right here, most of the time I always make money. Then I take some payouts, and then I blow the accounts. You know, this is like the normal ways that it always happen with me in the prod firms, because you know the risk management in a prod firm is hard. You know, they give you just like a 1,000 daily loss. So it's just so hard, you know, to manage these losses. And if you see, for example, my list of all the trades that I make, it was like, oh man, it was like December maybe. If you see the trades, you can see right here I lost $15, then I lost $250, then I make 700, then I make 200, then I lost 200, then I make 300, 500. But then, like any other trade, you know, I have these kind of crises when I start losing money, and see, I lose, and it's small amounts, you know, small amounts. But then all these small amounts blow the account, and this is normal, you know. Even if I'm the number one in the world right now in the competition, that's normal, you know. All the traders have this same problem, you know, when it comes to trading. And when it comes to trading at prod firms, when you have all these rules and all this stuff, it's hard sometimes. And so I really understand when people get stressed about trading. Can you share your strategy? No, bro, Peter, I'm sorry, Peter, I can't, you know. I have a really secret strategy, so I can't. Seriously, if I show you my strategy, Peter, you would be making trillions of dollars, and then you would be the richest man in the world. So no, bro, Peter, sorry, bro. Everyone wants the strategy. How can you learn? How can learn from you? I think. Where did you learn to trade, bro? Losing money. I learned to trade losing money, a lot of money, you know, a lot. Took 75%, keep 25 on free roll. Yes. Let's see if this guy is making money right now. Nope. If we close the position, I think that we are going to be the number one again. That would be nice. Oh, see this, guys. This position in the S&P 500. If we keep the position that we close right here, we would be losing a lot of money right now. You see. So this is what most of the trader does. And let's say, for example, that you enter your trade right here, you know, and you're making profit, and you keep open the position, and then you are losing money in this level right here. So you go to break even, and you're like, oh my god, this huge candle. So the price start going down again, and you're like, oh, you know, I'm going to keep my position, and then the price that does again, you know. And now we're having this big candle, so a lot of people is making like, oh, let's go down again. So in this movement, in all this crazy movement, people lose a lot of money. like just like that, you know, just like, oh, I want to go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and then they lose $100,000. Like this is just the game, you know, that the market always does. Which indicators? Do you have any course of advice? No, I don't have any courses right now. Maybe I make some courses in the future, and I will give it for free to everyone that see my streams on YouTube. You know, to help. What is your strategy, Jones? I can say my strategy. Do you use TradingView? No. I don't use TradingView. I obviously I don't use TradingView. What strategy do you use, sir? I already show it. What indicators, time frame? I'm already show all of these. Your strategy, I already show it. How do you do that? I never made. Just keep going, bro. You will make it, you know. Let's see right here. Parameters for the moving average, I already said. How to start trading as a greenhorn. I don't know what is a greenhorn. I actually don't know what is a greenhorn. Horn. I don't know what is that. What advice and learning tips would you give for a starter? My advice would be, don't do trading. Don't do it. Don't seriously, don't do trading. Trading is hard. Trading is trading take the worst out of you, you know. Trading is something that is going to break your mind. Trading is going to break your feelings. Trading is going to destroy you, you know. I have problems sometimes with my wife because of trading. I lose friends because of trading. I have problem with my family because of trading. So yes, if you want to make money, if your plan is make money, don't do trading. Seriously, trading is going to get you a lot of stress. It's really hard. So I don't recommend it. Seriously. And if you want to do it, you have to be ready. You have to be ready to have a really hard time, you know. You have to be ready to lose a lot of money. You have to be ready to lose a lot of friends. You have to be ready to make. You have to be ready to make money and don't get crazy, you know. For example, you have to be ready to a lot of stuff. Well, see guys, we just closed it goes to the TP. The position just went to the TP right now. That's a nice really nice position right here, you know. We have this position from here to here. We had a 3 to 5 risk reward. That was a really nice trade. And you can see the price go to this level right here, and we start going some reaction, you see. Ico, I would recommend you to get some profit, or maybe move your stop loss really close, maybe to this area right here, because if not, you can get burned, you know. And guys, on live right now, we are again number ones. GG guys, number ones again. That's nice. But yes, my recommendation would be don't do trading. It's hard. It's really hard. Teach me master. I don't know what is master, bro. I don't know what I did master. Which indicator do you use? I already show. You're amazing. Can I learn from you? No, you can. Do you have live stream sessions? No, I don't do live stream. Which broker do you use? Atas. I use actually Trading View sometimes, Trading View, Ninja Trader sometimes. It depends about how I want, where I want to buy and what do I want to buy. I use, for example, Coinbase too a lot, so it always depends. Hiko, if you are in the trade, thanks a lot. Close at 25%. You are, bro. You should. When this kind of move happen, bro, just try to always keep your stop loss closer. For example, instead of closing the position, just move your stop loss maybe like right here, you know, so you keep in this level, because maybe the price want to keep going down, maybe to this level right here, so you want to get all this profit. But you know, for now it's Friday, that's enough, you know. Maybe it goes down, maybe it goes right here before closing the last hour that we have for today. But just in case, don't get in again, you know, you already get all this profit. Don't go into the market again. This would be crazy. Juan Carlos Rubia, muy bueno, eres un crack. Muchas gracias, Juan Carlos, de verdad, muchas gracias. Juan Carlos, si tienes alguna pregunta, háblame en español sin problema. No sé por qué razón estoy haciendo todo el directo en inglés. Yo hablo español, yo soy venezolano y estoy hablando toda esta vaina en inglés, ¿vale? En vez de hablar tranquilamente en español. For example, Hiko, look this. Right here we have this movement, right? But we have at the same time this fair value gap right here. I never trade fair value gaps if it just touch the fair value gap. I always wait for the price to at least reach the half of the fair value gap. For example, right here would be the half, and if you see closer, then we have this point where the price tests 2-3 times right here, and if we go back again, we have this level right here at the same price, and if we go more back, we have the same point right here. So maybe if people want to get like a really sniper entry, you could enter right here maybe. But I don't recommend it because it's Friday, you know, and Friday the market just get weird sometimes. So let's continue with the questions. This is funny. Can you explain your strat? Can you be my mentor? Maybe. Who knows? Can you explain your strategy in English? No puedo porque mi estrategia es secreta, y si la explico en inglés me persiguen los Illuminatis. A greenhorn is a new trader without experience. Thank you so much, GD. Thank you so much, because I really was confused. You know, I didn't know what is a greenhorn. That's thank you. My English is actually very basic. You know, I have 5-6 years living in Houston, Texas. So you know, I just learn talking with people. Mentorship, maybe one day, not right now. Can you make some videos explaining how you trade? Here you go. What's your plan with 3K? What is your plan with 3K bro? Don't make it hard for me. I mean, just keep it simple, you know. How long does it take for you to be this beast? 6 years and 150K of loss. Do you trade Forex? And if yes, which part? I trade Forex before. Some years ago I trade US dollar to the euro, but it was too crazy, so I just prefer to move to futures, you know. And in Forex, depending of the broker, if it's a market maker, if it's a regular broker, if it's I mean, there's like 5 types of brokers, and then they have spreads, and then they have commission. So you know, it's just too much. It's just seriously too much. So I prefer to move to futures. It's more peaceful. It's more hard, I think, but it's more peaceful. Telegram, no, I don't use Telegram. Hi, what strategy or indicators do you use? Here you go. ¿Das clases de trading? No. O sea, sí, podría dar clases, pero no tengo un lugar que yo diga, te doy clases ya. Solo trade Forex. I trade whatever you want, you know. I can trade the what is the name? Flixfee 50 from India. I trade whatever you want. What technique do you use? Just price action, order flow, volume indicators, supply and resistance, supply and demand, liquidity holds, like a little bit, you know, of everything. ¿Me podrías dar una mentoría? Estoy en el concurso, pienso que no me va mal, pero quisiera mejorar, supongo. Claro que sí, Gerardo, te puedo dar una ayudita si deseas. What time frame do you use? I already explained that. How did you make one? I already explained this. Just use leverage. Is really dangerous for real trading, but you know, for the competition, use leverage. Don't be scared. Do you offer mentorship? Nope, I don't. And that's it. I think that's all the questions. You can see that almost all the questions are the same, asking about mentorships or strategies. So I don't know. I think that's everything for today. Let me see. Yes, that's actually all the questions that we have so far. Let me see. Let me check one more time before closing, because I want to answer as much as I can. ¿Cómo pones el stop loss? Ya expliqué eso. Oye, no entiendo cómo usas el indicador tema. ¿Podrías explicarlo en algún momento? Your setup and okay, I will explain all of this. Yes, I think that I explained most of the questions, guys. I think, you know, I wish I did. And well, I did some live trading today. I did some explanation. You could see how I trade for the competition. I mean, you see it, you know, you see the positions that I make for the competition. You see how we get again to the number one. That's actually really nice, you know. And I made already some explanations right here, you know, for ES traders or something like that, you know. So I don't know, if you have any question, just let me know, because I think that we have everything clear for today. I hope. Bro, this is horrible, but my hair gets crazy, bro. Look this is crazy. Hi Pecas. Hello. Oh, Benny. Hello, Benny. This is my guy from Malaysia. Sup, Benny? Benny, if you want, Benny, you can see the whole video again, and you will have like a lot of tips and things, you know. Hiko, look, we just make another lower low. See this? This is crazy. You see that this is what I'm talking about, Hiko. If you would move your stop loss right here and just wait, and right here you would be moving your stop loss right here and wait, you know, you could be making more money, and maybe until when? Until this level right here. So I would be moving my stop loss like right here, and then just wait until the price get more low, you know, just to sell everything. I don't know, this is just a quick, nice way to move the stop loss and always to secure some money. Thank you for your teaching. It is gold. Thank you so much, Andrés. Andrés, ¿hablas español o hablas inglés? Just your name is so Latino, you know. Andrés Mendoza, that's really Latino. You know, there is a lot of scammers with these fake courses. See, I don't think that the courses are a scam, because even me, I have like months thinking to make a course, but it's more about how you teach, you know, and no sell. Just if you sell that you're going to be rich, that's bad. You know, you have to be clear. You have to explain that trading is hard. Trading is hard. You know, making money is great, but the stress that comes with trading, that's hard. So I don't know. I don't think that the people that make courses are bad. You know, they are just trying to make money. For example, I make money from trading, and I could make a course, but then you know, I have to be sure that what I do is the best. And if I do a course, then it should be a course that can teach anyone to do trading. You know, from the people that know zero to people with more experience. You know, I have to cover all these frame. You know, of people. Hey, Hiko, look, we have Hiko, bro. We lose like 150K right here, you know. That's how you think to lose money. um Thanks for the session. No, the troop T, thank you for being here, you know. Thank you for your support, seriously. Yeah, I'm nothing without, well, no, I'm me without you, but you know, in YouTube I'm nothing without you, so thank you so much. I'm very happy that you are again #1. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, I'm happy to. It's nice to have one more week in #1. You're right. Emotions got the best of. Yes. Yes. Iko, we are losing money, bro. It's going down. um, Ambos. Ok, Andrés. Buenísimo, 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 buenísimo acercar los ambos idiomas. Hola desde Dallas, hola desde Houston, brother. Estamos a 2 horitas de distancia. ¿Cómo estás, Carlos? ¿Todo bien? Learn a lot from you. Please, 165 place on competition. Oh, you're in the top 1060, bro. Use leverage. Don't be scared. See, if you're in the place 1645, you are not winning nothing right now. So make sure to at least be in the top 250. Use leverage. Don't be scared. Use leverage, use support and resistance, and just go in with everything you have. You know, you can really change your position in just 1 or 2 trades. You know, you can really change your position in just 1 to 2 trades. So just do it. You know, don't be scared of losing money. Move your stop loss and just secure some money always, and that's it. Hiko, look this. We just touched this point that I told you before, and you can see how the price is respecting right now. So if the price break right here, I should be looking for profits right in here, you know. But I don't know. For me today, I already have my movement, so I'm more than happy. Since when you are profitable? 2 years. I have 2 years without losing. It's without losing money. You know, every 3 months when I look back my trades, I can say that I don't lose money, that I make money. Sometimes I'm break even, but I make money most of the time. Thank you, Pekas. Next analysis I will send you on Instagram. Yes, please. Hey, if you have analysis, just send me the picture on Instagram, and I will give you my opinion. And maybe I take hours to answer, because I have like right now I have like 80 people waiting for my answer. So I always try to, you know, give attention to everyone. Do you use ICT concepts? Maybe I do, but I don't know, because I don't know nothing about ICT, and I've never seen a video about ICT. But maybe I do. I don't know, bro. I use everything when I'm doing trading. You know, when it comes about doing trading, I do seriously anything, you know, that I can. Can you please tell us how your trading journey was and when you become profitable? Bro, if you want, in the beginning of the video, I explain everything. I explain like how I started like 6 years ago, and how I lost like 150K So if you want, you can go and watch this part. You know, it's I mean, it's a really nice part to watch. Leverage, yes, leverage. They give you 1 to 20 in the competition. Hey Hiko, look this. That's funny because I say Hiko, you know, because I know that he make the position. We have this form right here. This is a support, and this right here is a resistance. But at the same time, if you see these 3 candles, we are making right here higher lows, and then right here we are making lower highs. So this should be a really nice place to maybe look for a breakout and they put a position. But you see guys, this is the 3 minutes time frame. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I thought when I say like you have to understand always the structure of the market, you know. I mean, I never would put a position just like this because it's Friday, you know. But you see, sometimes you can just make a quick analysis and then go in. ¿Cuántos contratos puedes poner con leverage? ¿Cuántos contratos? How many contracts you can put with leverage? It depends. For example, if you're using Bitcoin, each contract of Bitcoin is $100,000. So if you have a leverage of 20 and they give you $250,000 and you put 20, that's like $5 million. So you could use $5 million to buy or to sell anything. Okay, now if you're making, let's say with this that would be like that would be like 50 contracts, you see. And then when you are making money, if you are making $50,000, you have the leverage on top of this $50,000. So you have actually $1 million more. So you could put 10 more contracts. So then you don't have 50 contracts, you have 60 contracts. And then if the price moves with you and you have 50 more, then you have the leverage for 50 more. So then you can put more money, you know. It's just like putting more and more and more money on top of the positions that you already have. That's how you use the leverage if you want to blow your account. Now, if you are in a competition, then it's nice because you can make a lot of money. NQ trading now, max 15 contracts allowed. Yes, because you have to understand how much is one contract of NQ, and then how much leverage do you need to buy a contract, and then how much you have to go with the market to make some profit to use the leverage to buy the contract. And you have to know about math, and you have to, I mean, maybe you know about math, but you have to understand how much is actually a contract of the NQ. What strategy do you use? I explained this like in the whole video. My recommendation with all the people that is just arriving to the stream is go and watch the whole video, because I explain everything. Like seriously, I explain everything. Do you have a financial background? Thank you for asking. I actually work with the United Nations in the financial side. I can show you guys. I don't have any problem showing this. See this right here. Let me put it like this. This right here is my carnet from the UN, because I actually work as in the financial side on the United Nations, and I travel a lot. If you see my personal Instagram, you will see that I have like a lot of flags. That's because I travel like seriously a lot, you know, working and working and working. So yes, I have some financial knowledge, and right now I'm looking for get into the university again to take a degree in charge financial analyst. That's actually like a really pro way to say you're a trader. You're a sharp financial analyst. That's like you could get private equity, private capital, so you can make trading but with a license. So that's really nice. And I actually have a company in Switzerland that is regulated by FINMA. So I have some years of experience doing financing work. Becca, you're amazing. I really learned a lot in the last 4 years. I did not. Huh? I learned the last 4 years. I did not in the last 4 years. Okay. Well, we can learn together. Favorite things to trade. Wow, favorite thing to trade. My emotions. Nah. Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I really love Bitcoin. Yo también gané $260 siguiendo en Vivo. En vivo. El en vivo. También ganaste $260. Eso es bueno, Andrés. Eso es muy bueno. Me alegra mucho que con el directo puedan tener cierto profit. Me alegra mucho, de verdad. Benny, do you look at news or just pure technical? I like news. I have this where I see the trading peep. This prop firm that is the one that I use. Right here, they have like a calendar, and I use this calendar when I'm doing trading because it's really like a really friendly calendar, so I really like it. So yes, I see sometimes the news, but I don't trade the news. Like I'm not like, oh, what is going on with the gold? Oh, see, they found I don't know, gas in some place, so I'm going to buy. No, I don't do that. I just look the how this. I just look this. How is going to be the impact of the news? If it's high, then I just relax. At 8:30, I'm just relaxing. I'm just chilling. I'm just waiting. So yes, I see the news, but I don't trade the news. I always wait. Bro. Hola, Pecas. I'm future trader in Barcelona. I just moved here. Is there any trader circle in Barcelona? Bro, I don't know about Barcelona because I don't live in Barcelona. I live in Houston, Texas. I mean, I know Spain because I work in Spain a lot, but I don't know if there is. I mean, of course there is traders in Barcelona, but I don't know them, so I don't know. I'm going to enter a sell position on 97375. 97375. 97375. Right here, a sales position. Why would you take a sale right here on Friday? Well, maybe it goes to this level right here through the weekend, but it's really risky because maybe it goes up through the weekend. So it's a really risky trade, I mean, for today and for the hour and for everything. So it's a really risky trade. I knew it. Wow, that's amazing. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much. What PC do you have and how much screen do you? Let me show you. My setup is a really mess because I travel a lot. Like my work is travel a lot. So I see. right here I have this huge screen. That is the one that I have. Right here I have the chat right here, and then right here I have the OBS to do the stream. Then, well, let me do like this. Okay, so right here, I have all of this, and then right here, see, right here I have my laptop, because I do everything in a laptop. Then right here I have the screen for seeing my baby. I have some water, my mic, another screen right here that I use sometimes depending of the situation. I have a tripod right here. I have another tripod right there, just if I need it. I have my teddy right here, my teddy bear when I was a kid. Then I have my camera right there. This is like the guest room. This is the guest room. This is not like a room for me doing trading. This is just a guest room, and I just put everything right here. And then right here I have like a light that I use to just illuminate. It's just a really improvised setup. Maybe one day, if I take it like really serious, the trading, maybe I do like a fancy setup, or something like that. Not monitor, yes, of course. I mean, I have this huge crazy TV, in the front. But no, for trading I use just my laptop, and that's it. I don't need nothing, seriously, I don't need nothing else to do trading. You have signal service? No, I don't have signal service. I don't. No. Signals for what? No, I mean, I can help you learning, and that way you don't need anyone to give you signals. You can learn and do it by yourself. But no signals. Do you have a strict time daily you trade that doesn't take any from family time and time with kids, etc.? Yes, of course. Right now my wife is waiting for me, because today is Valentine, but I told her, like, I have to do a stream today because a lot of people is waiting for me to answer all the questions. But my wife is out there with the baby, waiting for me. But yes. Bro, help. I have that same blue mic and it pick up everything when I stream. I hear when I swallow. Bro, right here in the back you have this thing right here that say volume. You can just like move it, and then it just get like low volume. I'm seeing right now in the stream that I have like 2-3 minutes of delay. That's crazy. That's actually really crazy. Do you only try support and resistance, and what rules do you use? My recommendation for you is go and watch the video, because I explain like everything that I do for the trading. I don't trade just support and resistance level. I use it a lot, but it's not the only thing that I use. I use indicators and supply and demands and liquidity, but had to discover BTC future before I made 2K in a second. I scalped NQ for 1,000 like a beast. Hey, nice, Meta. That's actually really nice. Congratulations. Andrés, gracias por el fueguito. I just joined the live, maybe for next time. Yes, bro, you just joined at the end, Yes. You can show us few steps to realistic pass up broad firm, maybe futures. Yes, of course. One of the things that I'm thinking right now is I want to buy another account in a broad firm from zero, and every single day make a video so I can show you guys how to actually pass the challenge. I'm looking to target, bro. That's a you want to sell right here and you want to take profit right here. I mean, it could happen, but you have just 30 more minutes, bro. I mean, you have 30 more minutes. In the if in the next 30 minutes you don't get this trade, my recommendation would be to close it, or at least, yes, bro. I don't know. This is a really risky trade, you know. This is a really risky trade. How big is your monitor? I don't know, like 57 inches. I don't know, bro. Seriously, I don't know. My mom gave it to me, or my sister. I don't remember. Someone gave it to me. I didn't buy it. So you recommend a TV? No, I don't. Bro, I don't recommend nothing. You know, my recommendation would be to learn and to train a lot. You know, I could do everything from my phone. Sometimes I'm traveling and I'm in the airport and I have my phone and then I have my tablet. So sometimes I'm in the airport, bro, and I'm like this, doing money in my tablet. You know, I'm waiting for the plane and I'm doing $200-$300, you know, because you don't need monitors. You don't need computers. You don't need fancy nothing. You just need the knowledge. You just need to do it, you know. Hiko, I don't know if you're in the chat right now, but Hiko, look this. We just touched this support we have right here, and now we're going up. That's what I was thinking. Maybe it goes up to right here to 98, maybe, to retest, but we have also this level right here, so it wouldn't surprise me if it stopped right here. Learn the skill and keep. Yes, that's how you should be doing. Just learn the skill. Do you have a course? No, I will have a course one day, because you know, it's nice. I like to teach, and there's a lot of people that want to learn, so I would be more than happy to have a course. But I don't like to sell anything. I want to make something really nice. We would love that. Thank you so much. Please make 100 videos on how to pass challenges. Yes, I will do it. I will do some videos to pass the challenge. I will do it, you know. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó? No, ya ahorita termino. ¿Y el bebé? ¿Qué va a cocinar?
¿Cómo?
¿Qué va a cocinar?
No sé, tengo hambre.
Ya, las lentejas aún.
Creo que estás en vivo.
Sí. Saca Coco fuera.
Estaba tirando el crédito.
Estaba frío, estaba afuera.
Estaba así. No. Estaba aquí.
Dale para allá, Coco.
Estaba así. No, pobrecito.
Perro feo. Mi amor, saca Coco.
Ya lo saco. Vente, Coco. Vamos.
Qué perro tan horroroso.
Te vas a hacer unos taquitos de huevo.
Está bien.
¿Quieres?
Sí. No, yo no tengo hambre. Yo como lentejas con arroz. That doesn't use perfume yet. Any recommendation of broker to trade platform? Benny, you know, my recommendation would be to use demo accounts until you are enough confidence to buy a prod firm account, because actually prod firms are really good for risk management, because if you don't have a risk management, then you blow your account. And for a prod firm, for example, I use one that they give me 50K for $100, so $100, and they tell me that my risk management is $1,000. So if you take $1,000, I mean daily, and you divide it by 100, it means that if I lost each 100 that I lost is actually $10, you know. And if you take this to the 3,000 drawdown that you have, and you divide it by 100 that cost the challenge, then you have, like, I don't know what I'm talking about. But my recommendation would be to practice enough and then just go and buy some test, and for sure you're going to lose some challenge, but you know, that's like the best way to don't lose a lot of money because it would be crazy. Stream live your account, prod film. I see a lot of you guys doing it, and I watch how much it makes. Yes, I will do that. Don't forget financial advice, bro. Don't give financial advice. Yes, this is no financial advice. Don't financial advice. If I say this is my advice, this is because I'm Spanish and my first language is Spanish. My English is crap, so don't listen to me. Just in case I don't want problem with the what is the name? RS? No. ERS, IRS, IRS. I don't want problem with the IRS or no one, you know. Yes, this is just for learning purpose. Thank you, composite. Hiko, yes, bro. Long is looking great. Short, I wouldn't put any long right now because the market is going to close in 14 minutes. How hard is your monitor site, bro? I don't know. Can you maybe show us how you got the support level at same time, or did you show it already? In right here, this support level. I don't know. Let me see. Oh no, I actually I do know because of this. Because I was doing trading because you see I was doing trading all of these plays right here, all of these plays right here, and right here we touch it, right here we touch it, right here in the last weekend we break out this, but then we touch it again right here, then we touch it again right here. I mean, we have this one, then we have this main one right here, and then we have this one huge right here, but we touch it right here, and then we go down, then we touch it here and we go up, then we break this level right here and we go really down, then we we make some consolidation right here, then some consolidation right here again. So it's not like crazy to think that if the price is going down, maybe it would like to just jump again this support right here, because this is where the price retest like several times before. So it would be not crazy to just have this position right here, and then at the same time you have this huge movement going up. So if you like to trade order blocks, this right here would be like a nice order block. And if you if you always think a little bit, you would be looking for the half or the order block, so right here in the middle, and it's actually the same as right here. So yes, I mean that's like everything that I think about it when I'm doing these support and resistance levels. So that's how I think and I see this. You got yourself a subscriber for life. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Eres un crack. ¿Qué recomiendas estudiar? ¿Algún video tuyo? Jeff, yo ahorita no tengo suficiente información ni videos para poder estudiar. Yo te recomendaría que estudiaras mucho price action, que estudiaras mucho volumen y sobre todo que hicieras mucho backtesting. Estudiar es bueno, estudiar es muy bueno, pero backtesting es mucho mejor, ¿sí? Tú puedes ver muchos videos de gente hablando sobre el trading, pero si tú no lo practicas, si tú no lo haces, si tú no lo aplicas, quizás nunca te da resultado. Entonces mi recomendación sería practicar mucho, hacer mucho backtesting y bueno, nada, ¿sabes? Seguramente en algún momento vas a poder llegar a la consistencia de no perder dinero y pues obviamente ganar. Guys, if you would make this, for example, this support as an entry, you would be making nice money right now, free course for your first subscribe in YouTube. Yes, if I make a course, right, I will be serious. If I make a course one day, that probably I'm going to do it, I'm going to give all of you guys probably the course for free, because I just like the support. So if I make a course one day, I will give you all guys the course for free. I promise that, Hola, mexicanos suscribiéndose. ¿Listo para aprender? ¿Cuál es la estrategia o en qué se basa? Rob, ¿cómo estás? Espero estés bien. Brother, te recomiendo que veas de nuevo todo el directo. Sé que es bastante larguito, sé que son como 2 horas y algo, pero ya todo lo que se iba a hacer se hizo. Literalmente expliqué absolutamente todo sobre la estrategia, mostré absolutamente todo, hice trading en vivo. Entonces nada, te recomiendo que te veas el directo entero. Hablo mucho en inglés, pero pues se entiende bastante bien todo lo que hago. De todas formas, Rob, vamos a seguir haciendo otros directos en otro momento, así que nada, solamente estate atento y seguramente lo verás. Y si tienes después preguntas, pues me las puedes hacer por Instagram y yo te las respondo sin ningún tipo de problema. It's much fun to trade BTC futures. Yes, it's really fun. You know, trading BTC, bro. Trading BTC, it's just life. You know, and I will let you know why. Because BTC right now, even with the ETF, BTC still move with the retails, with the people, you know, with the normal average people that move the market. Now, NQ or S&P 500, that's huge banks, institute, funds, like huge countries, you know, going in and out. So it's too much manipulation in these markets, you know. Even if I trade in those markets, it's too much manipulation. Then Bitcoin is just so chill, you know. And some people say, oh, you know, Bitcoin is hard, bro. Bitcoin is so easy. Seriously, Bitcoin, I love Bitcoin. It's so easy to trade, you know, really easy to trade. I'm happy to pay for it because I curse a lot of work. Yes, a course involves a lot of work. I have even all the temps that I want to give in the course, and my course, because I will have it, you know, one day, and my course will have like 60 videos, bro, and each video it would be like 20-minute video, because I will teach everything. Like my course that I want to make will have like, anyone that watch all this course will have like all the knowledge that I have right now, you know. And also because I have my company in Switzerland, regulated by FINMA, then I could give certificates from a company from Switzerland saying that you actually are a good trader. So that's a huge win, you know. So no, I want to make really something like really nice for the community, you know. I want to help. Please talk Italian. Time frame was important is for the use Italian. Muito obrigado. No, that's Portuguese, I think. Grazie mille. Ciao. Perché la price go. No sé cómo hablar italiano, brother. I don't know how to speak Italian. I'm sorry, bro. You know, oh, you know, and that's something really nice. Whenever I have my course, I will do it in different languages. I will do it in Germany, in Italian, in Hindi, in English, in Spanish, because I know a lot of you guys are from other countries, so I will do like a really nice work, you know. I know I have an idea that is going to go crazy, you know, with all the trading market. Don't be like all other YouTubers that forget everything after they get for. No, bro. I see. For me, social media is like trading. I love to do it, but it doesn't get me crazy anymore. You know, it's just for fun. So no, I don't think that I'm going to get like all other people. You know, I mean, it's obviously hard to answer all the questions and all the messages, but you know, I always will try my best. What is your birthday? My birthday, that's the weirdest question that I received today. My birthday is 27 March 27, so in 1 month. But thank you for asking. Vale, el director que queda guardado, hermano. Claro que sí, Rob, el director queda guardado totalmente ahí para todo el mundo, para que todo el mundo lo pueda ver de nuevo. No lo voy a borrar. Literalmente doy todo el conocimiento que tengo aquí, entonces no lo voy a borrar. Since you trade really show the difference between someone who understands instead of guessing. Makes me understand I was really gambling instead of trading. Benny, yes, we always have to understand what is going on. It's not just like, oh, the market goes really high, I'm going to sell. Yes, but if it's go high, then what is the time frame? Then why it goes high? Then what is going on? There is a lot of questions that you have to know how to answer in real time, like really fast, so that way you get like, really good at doing trading and not doing just gambling. And sometimes, sometimes I do gambling. Sometimes I get crazy too, because that's normal. We are traders. We are human. We make wrong things. So that's normal. The things we have to control. Gracias por el consejo. ¿Y cuáles son los indicadores recomendados que usas? Gracias por tu tiempo. Jeff, te recomiendo que veas el directo entero. Ahí muestro todos los indicadores. Y te recomiendo también que veas el directo que hice la vez pasada. Es mucho contenido, son muchas horas de trading, muchas horas de escucharme, pero explico todo. Literalmente explico todo. Grazie amico. De nada. Look forward to watch the videos. Yes, thank you so much. Making on every candle. Nice. Well, guys, see, I think that I'm going to leave you for today, because I have to go. Today is Valentine and my wife is going to kill me. I can ride the market, but my wife, bro, she's harder than the market. You got me really excited. Please start with the curve and video and show the passage. Yes. I will make all the videos of how I passed the challenge, and I will look forward to help you, to all of you, and to answer all of the questions and to help, because that's what I like. I like to help, and I hope, guys. I mean, once we have it, I will show it. But I really wish to see this in 1000. That's something that it's going to make me really happy, bro. Look, this right here, 1000. Oof, that's crazy, But yes, guys, nothing. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Hiko. Thank you, Thank you, Benny. Thank you, Sweet. Thank you, Meta. Thank you, JD. Thank you, the other 20 person that is watching right now. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you, I appreciate it. No, I really thank you all, guys, to support me. Thank you, Juan. Thank you, Juan Carlos. That's así se llama mi papá. Thank you, Juan Carlos. So thank you, all of you guys. If you have any questions, just let me know in the Instagram, and I will get in touch with you. Okay. Thank you, Amir. Thank you so much. Have a really nice weekend, and see you then. Okay. See you next week. Bye. Thank you. Aguante el profit. Aguante el profit. Vamos a poner aquí esto así. Let's put this one right here. Nice, bro. This look really pretty, This is actually really pretty. Happy Valentine's Day. See you next time. Yes, I will sleep outside of the house, Thank you, bro. I don't know why I'm talking right now and you're watching, because I have the stream right here. You're watching like 4 minutes behind me, so I'm going to stay here in silence. Whenever you see this, is because I end the stream, so I just want to watch the comments. So I'm going to stay right here in silence until I see that I'm in the same page. And when I'm here, I'm going to close the stream. So well, that's it. I'm boring right now. I'm leaving. Bye bye, guys. See you another day. Thank you for everything.